How to hide your Instagram account. So if you want to hide your Instagram account, then first of all open up your Instagram application, and now after opening you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and then you can go to the upper right corner which has the three lines, and then go for settings and privacy. And under settings and privacy, if you scroll down here, you will have a bunch of options, right? You can simply go for who can see your content, and under that, on the first option, you will have account privacy. Simply tap on account privacy, and then you have to make your account private. So if you don't have set your account to private, then you have to set it to private like this on the screen. And after setting your account to private, your contents and your posts will be hidden. Only the person who follows you will be able to see your content. So that's it. That's how you hide your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.